Hello friends. Today we are going to learn how to use green screen or chroma key effect on Videopad editor. Let's get started. Before that, please press the subscribe and bell icon to motivate us for future videos. First, we import images for background in videos with green background. Here I have some. Let's choose video file. Now drop it to the timeline. Make sure you leave bottom-most video timeline for the background image. Hold and drop it to one timeline above it. Now there are two video timelines, we leave the bottom one as for background. Now make sure the clip is selected. Just click on the clip in timeline. Now go to the top menu and click Video Effect. Under this section you will see green screen option. Click on it. A new pop-up window will open. As you can see, the background of the video is nearly removed. But there is still some green color on its edges, which we will remove it from this settings. Increase or decrease this value from this pop-up window. It totally depends on the quality of the video you are using. So just adjust it and stop where you think it's good now. Take a replay. Now the edges looks really smooth. Now let's add its background. Drop the image or any video you want below this layer. Adjust it by holding its ends. Now adjust its widths according to the video frame. For this, again go to Video Effects and then click Crop to the aspect ratio. Let's take a preview. That's it. Now if you have other background, like blue, just like in this video, you can remove it with the same process. But just one thing you have to do is change this color from green to blue. Match its color. And then press OK. And make little adjustment. Now I will adjust the same background for this also, you can use different. That's it. How simple was that? Let's take a preview. Friends, in the next video I will tell you how to create this subscribe animation in Videopad editor. Friends, we will bring you videos like this. Till then, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video.